So it's James from Finney Electrical, and we've got Ellis from Finney Electrical and Hayden from Finney Electrical, and this is the three amigos do fault finding. Let's get into this. Right lads, what do you think this fault finding is?
I don't know. I don't want to.
You don't know?
I don't want to guess.
You don't want to guess? No, today we're not fault finding, we've got an activity centre, mate. What do you think? Axe throwing, archery and some shooting.
All shebang?
Yeah, not clay pigeon, but I think it's air rifle. What do you think?
Probably better at that.
Probably better at that than fault finding. Oh, flipping out, that fills me with confidence. Right then, let's get into this. Go on ahead and sign your life away.
Well, I'll probably forget them anyway. Right, where's my ball? Right. So the archery, the range is at 10 metres, it's ideal for beginners. I want you to hit the target, alright, to have some games and have fun at the same time, alright? These are your balls you'll be using, they're all different sizes, alright? I'll select one to your size, alright? So first time picking the ball up, you're thinking which way does it go? It's certainly not out way. Oh, look for this bit. Right. And you played it just on target, it's alright. The more shots you do, the better you get. Alright, so you three now. Who's going first?
We're just getting some footage of Hayden.
Hayden, arm nice and straight like this. That's it. All the way back. Keep going. Bring that arrow near corner of your lip for us. That's looking good. Take the shot right now. So what's your name?
Ellis.
Have your feet apart like this.
Back.
Yeah. And on up. Don't do anything. That's it. Oh, Ellis, arm nice and straight first.
Yeah.
Okay. No, you're going like this. Hold on. Well, you adjust yourself, right? Yeah.
Let's get you. I missed you.
So what's his name again?
Ellis.
Ellis, can you see your feet? Ellis? That's better. Right. Smoothly. Yeah, so I might be blue, but take a shot. Not bad.
Oh, that was rubbish. Anyway, it's time for the challenge then. So it's, what is it? I think it's the person with the high score. But we'll see who wins between Port and Finney. Come on lads.
What name was it again?
James, 23, not bad. Oh, bullseye.
And yours is 17, it's 40, isn't it? It is. So I think this team's winning at the moment. It's all down to these final.
Oh, the final round. It was at the middle, but we got some precision.
To be fair, what happened to them in the last round?
I hope they're three in the middle. Oh, I can't, my eyes aren't, I can't see, my eyes aren't that good. I'm just
Smashed it, look at the grouping.
Oh,
James, 26.
Oh, I hate red though.
Oh, highest individual score.
Oh.
Good. Here, that's 8. That's 6, 14. Loads of minuses. These three now.
Oh, it's all on these three.
That is a 6. Look
at that.
14, isn't it?
Hayden. Don't look at that one. Yeah, don't look at that one. Got this little grouping. 67 Hayden.
Next one, Ellis.
No.
17, add 18, add 14, 49. It's alright.
Nice.
Then James, 23, add 24, add 26. You're winning, yes?
73. Come on.
20.
Which is a grand total of 189.
That's good. We're there. That's good. So, Cam is it? 23.
Do we trust that?
No. Add 24. Oh no, it's not 24, really. 23, add 16, add 14. 53.
Nice.
Not far off.
Well done.
And
It's gonna be tight.
25.
It's gonna be tight.
Add 20. Add 17.
No.
62.
Nice.
It's all on Michael. Can he win it?
Come on.
17. Add 23. Add 19. 59.
No chance.
What's that?
174, you guys win by 15.
Not what? Yeah,
Wow.
just remember it's combined score.
Combined score, let's have it.
Yeah, so it's not much in it then.
Oh,
let's
what
do
we're
a
looking
game.
at.
So we're going to play a game.
Who won?
However, how many points in it? 14.
It was 174 to 189.
Right, so this game, whoever wins, 20 points.
Oh, got an extra round. Bonus round.
5, go. 6, go. Oh, you 2, 3, 4, 5. Too much power. 6. Go. 2, go. 3, go. 4, go. 5, go. Do not let the team down. Go for it. Well done, guys.
Yes.
Go for the golden card. You can do it.
Oh! You are kidding!
He's bent it. He's bent it. Is that 50 points?
No.
He's got to stick in and fall.
Oh.
Effort, 10 points.
Yeah, go on, lad. Go on, peer pressure. Oh, you got the ball though. That is impressive, mate.
Absolutely hammered us.
Go on, Hayden.
86 to 63. Look at
Yes, go on, Finney. Well done, Hayden. You've been absolutely leading us.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do not let the team down.
yeah, come on.
Once being to your shoulder, I like that. Not like this.
RPG. Here we are, last of the activities then. So we've got the air rifle range shooting, and then we find out who's going to win on points between Finney and Port.
All the way down. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. There we are. Now we'll go.
This is so hard to film that.
Tango down.
This is killing rabbits.
Duck season! Rabbit season!
It's similar, but
Yeah, so this is winning. That's 55.
So
54 for Christian.
Oh, 54. Put 55 on there for you.
About there, mate.
55. Join.
Oh, I think I'll have to have a shoot off.
I'll say not a shoot off. I'll say the better grip, much better.
Oh, what?
Yeah, so that's better.
Oh,
You've got some dodgy white ones.
He's on your own presentation.
Wait,
Sam and Ellis.
Ellis, 1 point extra for getting the best group in.
Oh, well done, Ellis. Go on, lad.
So guys,
Well done.
is it 3-3? No, 4-3. Who's going to win this?
Hold.
Well done. So wait, James, 2 more for blue team to win.
Here we go. Go on, last 2 lads, go on.
4 more for red.
Yeah, I got it.
1 more
Go
for blue
on,
team. Can you
Go
win
on,
it?
Go on, Alex, go on, get it. Last one. Got it. Yeah.
Blue team has won. Well done.
You guys end up on 394 plus 20 is 314. 414, sorry. 414 and 412. 2 points.
Oh.
2 points.
That 2 point win.
414 to 412.
Yeah,
Well
go on,
done,
lads.
Electrical.
Go on, lads. Well
Let's
done.
do the overall
Well done.
score. I'm just going to add this up and I'll tell you in a minute.
Yeah. If I saw you walking towards me with an axe, I think I'd be a bit worried that night. Like, you've definitely got the axe throwing down.
Right, it's really close.
Oh.
I'll be back in a second. 2 seconds.
This is.
I'm just going to fix the results.
This is overall winner.
In last place,
Oh.
124 points in total. It's going to be Cam.
Hey, well done, Cam. Well done, Cam.
Right. Joint second to last place. Only 2 points in it, though, Cam. All right. So joint second last place. Ellis.
Hey, well done, lad.
Right,
Well
and
done.
James.
Hey, thank you.
So final 3 then, isn't it?
Oh, Hayden,
So in third
Michael,
place then,
Christian.
with 132, Christian.
Well done.
So, in second place with 133, so 1 point in it between it, you know, I was Michael.
Well done, lad. Well done.
First place with 142 goes Hayden.
Well done, lad.
I'm glad I had that recount. I wouldn't have gone home after.
Shall I just recount his score again? Yeah.
So we're at the pub now, aren't we? White Horse Pub and Dining. I'm starving. Aiden's still got his hat on because he's absolute buzzing. He's won He's loving life. Right then, what a day then. So what do we have then with archery, axe throwing and air rifles then? So who won what then? So I think I won the archery, but just by a hair then. And then for axe throwing then we had the Hawk Hayden. And the axe throwing, absolute smashed it. And then 10 Ellis then. Up with it. And the air rifles, have you got one at home? You've been shooting things at home, have you?
Shooting pigeons, yeah.
Shooting pigeons, I think so. But the overall winner then, who got the Huckleberry Finn hat and his little medal, Mo Farah medal. Hayden, well done lad. Yeah, and that's all we've got time for this week then. So if you like this kind of content, hit the like button, hit subscribe, hit the little bell notifications to know when next upload. As always, I'm good for me and these lads. I'll see you on the next one.